Hello Canopies, welcome back to my channel. Every day I start my vlog in the early morning, but today you can see the time, it's close to 8 p.m. in the evening. This is because I was not at all feeling well since the morning. I was struggling from high fever, and my body needed some rest. The main reason that I'm making this vlog is just to show you that every day is not the same. Some days we won't be able to complete our study goals, and that's completely alright. Each and every one of us go through this phase. The only thing that we can do in this time is to give time and rest to our body to regain our energy so that we can work harder tomorrow rather than taking guilt to ourselves. I'm feeling a little better right now after staying all the day on the bed. I may really sound weird, but lipstick is one of my secret key. It instantly makes me active and helps me to come out of the sick mode. I say this in most of my videos that whenever you feel sick or you don't feel like studying anything, just go eat something that you really like and then start studying. It instantly boosts your energy. That will be better rather than taking all the guilt and sitting idle for rest of the day. So how you guys watch my videos for study motivation? Even I watch some other study vlogs for getting some motivation and start studying. After completing my soup, I started doing my newspaper analysis. Now I'm going to start with anthropology. I have few topics that I have to do. You can see the time right now. It is 9:06 p.m. I think I can study for one more hour. Rehydration is really mandatory, so I'm taking ORS. So guys, let me give you some insights on how I analyze PYQs for optional subject. Whatever optional you have, you can do the same. So this is the chapter 1.2 of Anthropology paper 2, and you can see that I have all the PYQs asked from 2025 to 1993, and I have highlighted some important topics that were asked and make some division and blocks for each and every topic. What subtopic are they focusing on. So if you want an example, here is Shivaliks. Here I have noted down all the topics that are asked from the Shivaliks itself. So here I marked 1, 2, 3, 4 like this so that I can structure my notes accordingly. You can see here that in my notes I have written introduction, significance, and thereby I write localities. So I structure my notes from the PYQ itself so that it will really make my efforts clear and my revision also better. So, PYQs will give you a lot of insights and topics that are really important to cover rather than studying the bulky books cover to cover. This will help you give you more clarity on how to structure your notes. And I have to also say that before making this one pager notes, I already made very rough notes from the static books that I have, and also I added some important data points and diagrams from Google, and only after that I write my short notes and include all the important points in there itself. And in case of optional, referring to 2 to 3 books will be really helpful in order to make your answer more better and stand out from others. It's 10:12 p.m. right now, guys. It's better for me to go to bed now so that I can wake up tomorrow and study longer. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching until the very end. And also make sure you comment below how you tackle your sick days. If you like my videos and want to stay updated, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to give a like. I'll see you soon in the next vlog. Until then, keep fighting.